Hi there. Welcome back to your moment of calm, healing, and English. Today, I want to talk about something very simple, but also very important: how to love yourself. We often talk to others with kindness, patience, and care, but how often do we speak to ourselves that way? Loving yourself doesn't mean you are selfish. It means you are human, and you matter. So, how can we love ourselves more every single day? Start small. Say kind things to yourself. You are your own best friend. Talk to yourself gently. Forgive your mistakes. Rest when you are tired. Eat well. Say no when something feels wrong. Say yes to things that bring you joy. And always remember, you are enough. Sometimes we forget that we are already doing our best. We try to be perfect. We compare ourselves to others. But today, just take a deep breath, smile, and say it out loud. I am enough. You are growing. You are learning. And that's beautiful. You don't need to change to be loved. You already deserve love just the way you are. Celebrate your small wins. Even the smallest steps matter. Woke up early today. Good job. Finished one page of reading. Amazing. Smiled at yourself in the mirror. That's powerful. These little moments build self-love, step by step, word by word. And the more love you speak into your life, the stronger your voice becomes. Yes, in English and in life. Thank you for spending this time with me. You're not only learning a language, you're learning how to be kind to yourself. Take this with you today. You are doing enough. You are growing. You are enough. See you in the next episode. And until then, keep speaking love, keep learning, keep shining.